Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete chapter number 15, Eat from the Edges from Workbook. यहाँ पर आपको एक पैसेज दिया है और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पैसेज आपको कुछ ये है एक्सरसाइज वो सॉल्व करने हैं. सो ए हु सेड दिस वर्ड्स एंड टू होम. फर्स्ट वी आर क्रैम्प्ड अप इन अवर लिटिल कॉटेज. आंसर नसरुद्दीन होरजाज नेबर सेड दिस टू हिम. Second, you will be grateful to me. Nasruddin Hodja said this to his neighbor. Third, you solved my problem. Nasruddin Hodja's neighbor said this to him. Then next page. B. Answer the questions in brief. First question. What problem was Nasruddin Hodja's neighbor facing? And answer is, the neighbor was finding it difficult to manage his large family in his tiny house. Second question. How many chickens did the man have? What was Nasruddin's advice regarding them? Answer. The neighbor had 5 chickens and a rooster. Hodja advised him to take them all into the house. Then third question, who all were staying together in the neighbor's house before Nasruddin finally asked him to send the livestock out? Answer, Hodja's neighbor, his wife, his mother-in-law, 3 children, 5 chickens, a rooster, a donkey and 2 lambs were staying together in the neighbor's house before Nasruddin finally asked him to send the livestock out. Then fourth question, how did the neighbor's family members react to the animals being inside the house? Answer, the neighbor's mother-in-law is threatening to kill him and his wife is threatening to leave him. Question number 5, what realization did the neighbor have at the end of the story? Answer, the neighbor realized that where there is a will, there is a way. He also understood the importance of adapting to one's environment and appreciating all that we possess, whether big or small. Sixth question. Find words in the passage which mean the same as the following. First, rooms, quarters. B, thankful, grateful. C, hopelessly, despairingly. D, cattle, livestock. Then C, think and answer the questions. First question, why did the neighbor follow Hodja's advice even though he was not convinced? Answer, the neighbor followed Hodja's advice even though he was not convinced because Hodja was a wise man and he could solve his problem. Second question, how did Nasruddin solve his neighbor's problem? Explain in your own words. Answer, Hodja asked the man to take the chickens, rooster, donkey, 2 lambs inside the house. After the house was packed with the man's wife and children, mother-in-law and animals, Hodja asked the man to send the animal back to the garden and the barn. When the man followed Hodja's advice, he felt that he had a lot of space in his house. Then vocabulary, and in vocabulary first, proverb. Proverb is a short, concrete saying that expresses a traditionally held truth or a piece of advice based on common sense or experience. Example दिया है, a friend in need is a friend indeed. इसका meaning है a friend who provides support when one needs it is a true friend. A stitch in time saves 9. And meaning है इसका, a timely effort will prevent more work later. Then A, match the 2 halves of the proverbs correctly so that they make complete sense. First, the pen is mightier than the sword. Second, all good things must come to an end. Third, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Fourth, birds of a feather flock together. 5. Laughter is the best medicine. 6. The early bird catches the worm. Then grammar, future tense. The future tense is used to talk about the action that will take place in future. जो future में होने वाली है action, उसके बारे में हमें जो ये देता है information, उसे हम कहते हैं future tense. Example दिया है यहाँ पर, Megha will return from the library after 1 hour. The school will be organizing quiz competitions next week. Then exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable future forms of the given verb. ब्रैकेट में कुछ verbs दिए हैं, उन्हें हमें यहाँ पर यूज करना है. First, I have a strong feeling that our team will win this match. Second, this time tomorrow, Ravi will be watching the concert. Third, mother will be angry when she finds out that we broke the vase. Fourth, the train will leave at 8:45 p.m. We need to hurry. Fifth, I will be meeting my cousin at the museum on Sunday. Sixth, the film will start in about an hour. Then next, direct and indirect speech. Then direct speech means when the actual words of the speaker are quoted. It is say direct speech. और actual word जो है कोई speaker बोल रहा है तो वो हम किसमें लिखते हैं, in inverted commas. ठीक है, अगर inverted commas में लिखा है कोई भी dialogue तो वो क्या है, direct speech. Then when the actual words of the speaker the speaker are reported, it is said to be indirect speech. There is no use of inverted commas and the word that usually introduce the words of the speaker. जैसे यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दिया है, रायना said we want to go for a movie. यह है डायरेक्ट स्पीच. देखो यहाँ पर क्या किया है, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा यूज किया है, करेक्ट. देन अभी इसी का इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कैसे होगा, देखिए, रायना said that they wanted to go for a movie. ये हुआ इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Then B, rewrite the sentences in indirect speech. First sentence, the engineer said, I must leave for the construction site as soon as possible. Indirect speech कैसे होगा, the engineer said that he must leave for the construction site as soon as possible. Second, my mother says, if you work hard, you will do well in the exam. My mother says that if we work hard, we will do well in the exams. Third, Lavani said to her friends, please wait here till the bell rings. Lavani requested her friends to wait there till the bell rang. Fourth, the man ordered his servant, post this letter today. Then next page, the man ordered his servant to post that letter that day. Fifth, Ravi said to me, could you lend me your sketch pens? Ravi asked me if I could lend him my sketch pens. Sixth, my father said to Priya, you play the piano beautifully. My father told Priya that she played the piano playfully. Seventh, the teacher said, open your books to page 96 and work on the first 10 sums. The teacher told everyone to open their books to page 96 and work on the first 10 sums. 8. Piyush said, oh, how beautiful the snow-capped mountains look. Piyush exclaimed that the snow-capped mountains looked very beautiful.